Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Thunder is caused by the rapid expansion and contraction of air surrounding a lightning bolt. When lightning heats the air, it can reach temperatures of approximately 30,000 Kelvin, 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, causing the air to expand rapidly and create a shock wave. This sudden expansion and subsequent contraction produce a sonic boom that we hear as thunder. The reason thunder can sound different, ranging from a loud crack to a low rumble, is due to the distance the sound travels and how the air channels it.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.